Yes, my people, good day. Shine this off a little bit for all of the Acura fanboys and girls out there. Yeah, man. Customer states, I think I need an alternator because I just bought a new battery and it's still going dead. Tried charging the battery, but it wouldn't charge. Something's changed. So I'm looking around, and look what I saw. Check this out. If you see things like washers and stuff and here, you know what I mean, it's a telltale sign something going on. Now, if you have a battery terminal and it's tight, right? Shake the battery terminal. See that? So even though the nut is tight, battery terminal loose. And you see inside there? See all of that green stuff that's in there? Can't do nothing with a battery terminal that not tightening up and then also have corrosion on the inside. Yeah man, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Yeah.